No, I'm sure he's fine. But give me a call if you see him. Thanks, too. Miles! I've been calling you. For hours. Nothing. You know Miles has been hunting Lee.
I'll find him.
I'm calling the hospital.
I said I'd find him! I've got this under control.
All Miles talks about is how to be a better Spider-Man. Not school, not his friends. How to help you. Go help him.
How did I get here? This place has tight security. That didn't work. Maybe one of the others will. One down. Just need to block the rest of them. There. That cleared a small path. Hello? Are these all prisoners? Lee. Was he here? Who was that guy who knocked me out? And what about Pete and MJ? You're right. The smallest are the swiftest. Spider-Man!
Eyes on target. Get me!
Okay. Oscorp tech. What do they need that for? Oh. What? Why would Craven lock me up in here? Yankee, I need you, man. Generators look like they power the fans. Better, but still not good. Okay. Let's not do that again. Need to power up the others. There we go. One more. The ceiling. It has to be above. That door. Looks like the only way out. You guys no way out of here?
You will never leave this place.
It's starting to feel that way.
Bleed for me.
Look out!
What's with all the traps anyway?
Testing your work, Spike. Avoid his web.
Firing! Relocating!
Damn it, take me.
I have a shot!
Your boss is really pulling out all the stops, huh?
He always does. Now, show us what you're capable of. Eyes on target.
Can't let him hit me!
Give up!
That's all of them. There has to be a way out of here. It sounded like they were waiting for me. This place never ends. What if the hunters know who I really am? What if they took off my mask? What if... Genki, can you hear me now? Please. Did they get to him? Did they get to Mom?
Craven is calling for more talent drones upstairs.
He must be enjoying himself. Usually he doesn't play with his food this long.
more hunters.
Craven seems to believe this will be the one. I wonder if he's right.
There is an electricity to the air. Yes.
After so many have failed, it seems impossible for any...
I can hear him crawling away. Whips only mean one thing.
Lights fading.
Found him! Up there! Your life is Craven's now! There is no escape for you! Bring him down!
They've been stalking Pete. Did they get him? The tape recorder?
Every night, I dream of my last moments. My body lying beneath my ancestors' sky in a field fertilized by their failures. Their tears fall from the stars as fire consumes my corpse. For I have done what they could not. Only an equal may taste my last breath, and may they send my soul back to the quiet depths of hell.
I could bust through the door. It'll be loud. Maybe there's another way. Sweet dreams.
Heard a noise.
Here's that nap time you ordered.
Muss ich mir eingebildet haben.
Ha! I am closing in on him! Webs. The spider. Spider-Man, I see him! Look up!
What's that sword good for if you don't use it?
That looks like an exit. I need to find out why Craven brought me here. Just have to get out of here and call Spider-Man. If he's okay. Natural lights never look so beautiful. Okay. What's going on? This is... Okay.
There's no escape. I tried.
I expected you sooner. Where is the energy of youth, huh? Fight to the death. Or die here together.
So how many people did you kill before I got here?
I didn't have a choice.
You always have a choice.
I am done wasting my time fighting weaklings. Prove you are worthy of my life.
I understand you want to kill me, but I can't let you do that.
What makes you think you deserve to live?
I won't die as the man that I was.
Watch it! You don't get to walk away from what you did. The inner demons, devil's breath, the city hall bombing.
Don't recount my sins to me. I know what I've done.
You have no idea! Did Craven bring you here, or was this voluntary?
Save your superiority complex. We're both in this arena.
Looks like serving time didn't change you at all.
You're wrong.
You're waiting something, Spider. And you in here. Show me more!
No! You'll never defeat me! Spider-Man doesn't kill.
You never fought this one. Fast! I need to find an opening. No! Venom's not working.
Where is your beast?
What if I try my new Venom special? Do you feel any regret for what you've done?
Whatever I did to you in the past, it's never been personal.
I'm sure to you it wasn't.
What do you want? An apology?
I want you to feel even half the pain you caused me.
Do not let your prey get too close, Spider.
Come on. Just need an opening.
Finally, a worthy battle.
Enough of this! Back off!
spider, you will take what is yours.
Yes! Venom's back online.
Now, show us your full strength! I don't want to have to kill you!
Wow! Maybe you have changed! You stay down!
Enough of this! Back off! This is the only way!
This is gonna be the last time you hurt anybody!
You're a cliché! At least the other spider has a man behind the mask!
You don't know anything about me!
My way.
Where are you?
No way.
This is you.
I need to keep my head in the game. I'm not really here right now. None of this is real.
What's more real than fear?
What are you doing to me?
Taking a look into your soul, I see a boy terrified of being alone, of failing his family.
Keep talking! You're not getting away from me! You can't hurt me!
Everyone has a breaking point. Even Spider-Man. It's just a matter of finding it. And I have all the time in the world to dig into you.
Get out of my head, man!
Out of your head. But there's so much to see in here. So much dread. So much worry. So much doubt.
I'm not listening!
You're strong. But no one is stronger than themselves.
Enough, Lee! Where is he?
Miles.
He?
You don't get it. I mean, I tried. I tried to teach you, to make you into a hero. I knew you'd always be second best, but... all you've ever done is let people down. Put people in danger. That's not Spider-Man. Spider-Man helps people. You just hurt them. That's not true. Hey, whoa, don't shoot the messenger here. It's not even me you're letting down. It's your dad. Oh!
So, your name is Miles. Who are you really, Miles?
Get down here, Lee!
Let's dig deeper.
Just fight me, man! You want to end this? Let's fight! What the hell, Miles? I know this is you, Lee! Yeah, of course it is. I'm always here for you. I do everything for you. I'm not listening! Yeah, I'm not surprised you'd say that. Because all that matters is you, right? All you do is take. You put me in danger. You put Haley in danger. But for what? What do we get? I know I'm... left behind. That's all we get. Or we end up like Finn. Hanky! Hanky! I know I said it wasn't your fault, but... I guess I just mostly felt bad for you. Didn't want you to feel responsible. Especially after... Especially after your... Shut up!
This ends when you wanted to, Miles. You're going to let me in eventually. And until then, struggle.
Mijo, where are you?
I'm here, Mom.
Can't do this anymore, Miles. You're always gone. Always in danger.
No!
You're going to get yourself killed.
Won't!
And then what? You can't win, Miles. I should never have let you try. All it's ever done is make me more alone. Put me in more danger.
No! I want to protect you! I will!
Heard that before.
Mean it!
Not from you. On the day he died, your father told me, just that morning, everything he does.
No! No, no, no!
Miles, please! I love you.
It's enough, Lee.
Miles.
I said that's enough!
You're right. That's more than enough. I have everything I need.
Stop.
Hey there, big man. Man, it feels good to see you. Lots changed since I left. You became a whole hero.
But I couldn't save you. Or Finn. If Spider-Man can't protect everyone, who will?
Come on now. You're more than just Spider-Man. You can try and hide behind that mask, but I know who you are. And what you stand for. I've been watching you.
You have?
And it hurts. What happened to the boy that I raised? You're a coward. A stain on our family.
You don't mean that!
I do. We all do. You're a failure, Miles. You always will be.
No! You never say that! None of you would! I'm not...
It's time to give up. Give up, Miles.
No. Give up!
I won't.
Give up. Give up.
Give up.
You're done, Lee.
I'm not doing this anymore.
You wanna know who I am? I'm the kid whose dad you killed at City Hall!
What?
He died because you decided your problems were more important than all of those people's lives. Jefferson Davis was a hero who saved people from you.
Miles.
No. I'm done listening to you. Losing my dad? It's not what's holding me back. I was the one doing that. But not anymore.
Do it. Please.
When you're out, find Spider-Man.
Do not let them escape!
Hey, got a report that Mr. Negative's near Feast in Chinatown, but nothing from Miles. Do you think...
Miles is fine. We're out looking for him now. Find Lee. Miles has to be there too. Has to be.
I'll go check it out. If he so much as laid a hand on Miles.
Hello? It's Dr. Connors. Sorry, I asked Harry for your number. I just... Please, come back to the lab. We need to remove the symbiote. The hold that it's already taking on your mind, it's only going to get worse.
I'm busy. No one listens.
Listeners, you know, I don't fabricate information just because of my personal leanings. What I'm hearing, I take no pleasure in delivering to you. But it's my duty to report it nonetheless. It seems the newer Spider-Man has gone missing. Now, we can all agree these vigilantes need to be brought to justice. But it seems that may never come to pass. A trusted source claims they saw firsthand Spider-Man captured by the Hunters. Now, their track record speaks for itself. Should the worst befall this young man, I will be the last person to say, I told you so. Even though I was the first person to say it. Despite my campaign against these dangers to society, I don't wish harm on any other human being. So let us all come together and hope for Spider-Man's sake that he survives.
You have a preference between hunting animals and people?
They're the same to me. Just a set of challenges. The location's the only thing that
are reliable. People disappoint more often.
Fair enough.
But when you're after someone good, someone who knows what they're doing and how to fight back, that's why I'll never be bored with them.
And that's why this hunt will be something special.
Sorry, fellas. Got some reconnaissance on my to-do list. More of you? Who hit the reinforcements button? Time to snoop for some info. Let's see what else this base has going on. Looks like a supply room full of weapons. Be a shame if some Spider-Man webbed them up. 2 blinds down. May find the base location at the next one.
Spider is here!
Watchful winds! Opening fire!
Reinforcements! Not enough of you here already? I'm not telling you to go home, but you can't stay here! Time to see what they've got cooking. Map of the Upper West Side. Wonder how they afforded a place here. A base at the abandoned hotel? Gonna get some unexpected room service. Time to head to that hotel. No need to book a room online, right?
Hey everyone. Okay. One Spider-Man is missing. The other is not himself.
According to the blinds, this base is their weapons depot. Not for long.
L'ha giusto e mosso qualcosa.
And here comes the peanut gallery.
Take the shot!
Guess you all got the invite. Welcome to the party.
Fire him!
of you! But I'm only one spider!
Watch your head!
Let them fly! Free!
Guess they know I'm here.
Watch his webs! Stay strong, hunter!
Careful!
Something explosive! Fight now!
base data you got from the blinds shows another room here. Maybe it's got some intel about the hunter.
Jackpot. Okay. There's an encrypted file.
Sasha, give up this obsession. Come home to me while we still have time left.
Our time is over, my love.
And your children? They will draw blood for control of our empire.
The Cubs must earn their place, like anyone else.
They will see me as an obstacle.
Then you must strike first.
Craven's family? They sound cool. Could be trouble down the line.
I'll be ready. Let's keep clearing bases till then.